Hello everyone, welcome to PA Wealth, an investment services organization. We are into equities, mutual funds, insurance, and other investment services. You're always welcome to contact us. We would be delighted to share with you our latest thoughts or discuss your investment objectives in greater detail. Now let's begin our video. Today we'll talk about Mindtree Limited. Mindtree Limited is an Indian multinational information technology and outsourcing company. Mindtree Limited has its headquarters in Bangalore, India. Mindtree Limited is a part of the L&T Group. Let's take a look at the brief history of the company. Mindtree Limited incorporated on 5th August 1999 as Mindtree Consulting Private Limited. Mindtree Limited raised $9.5 million valued at $40 million in 1999. In 2001, Capital Grew invested $10 million. In 2007, Mindtree went public after raising over $24 million. Mr. Ashok Sutar, one of the founders of the company, decided to leave company in 2011. Mr. Ashok Sutar sold his 11.6% shares to Mr. V.G. Siddhartha. In 2018, Mr. V.G. Siddhartha chose to sell his 20.32% shares in Mindtree in order to repay his personal debts. Now let's know something about parent company of Mindtree Limited. Larsen & Toubro is a $14.3 billion technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services conglomerate with global operations. Also, L&T is one of the largest and most respected companies in India's private sector. Here is the shareholding pattern of the company. Here we can see that around 61% stake is held by Larsen & Toubro Limited, who are the promoters of the company. Now the Executive Board of Directors. Mr. Anil Manibhai is Non-Executive Chairman, graduated in Mechanical Engineering. Mr. Anil has over 50 years of experience. Mr. S.N. Subramanian is the Chief Executive Officer and MD of Larsen & Toubro Limited. Mr. Debashish Chatterjee, CEO and MD, he holds a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Jadavpur University. He holds over 30 years of experience in the field of IT. Other directors are Mr. R. Shankar, Mr. Vinu and Mr. Dayapatra. Here is the group structure of the company. During financial year 2020, Bluefin Solutions Limited, UK, Bluefin Solutions Private Limited, Singapore and Bluefin Solutions Inc., USA, the wholly owned subsidiaries of erstwhile subsidiary Bluefin Solutions Limited, UK were liquidated. Now let's see the services offered by Mindtree Limited. First one being digital solutions. The services in digital solutions cover cloud, agile, user experience design, application management services, data analytics, Internet of Things, automation, engineering management services, and digital commerce, etc. Next is operations. Mindtree manages mission-critical applications for some of the world's most successful companies. In IT consulting, Mindtree provides agile, DevOps, cloud, and other services. In engineering services, Mindtree offers embedded intelligence, product sustenance, short-range wireless IP portfolio, and software-defined wide area network. Enterprise software, Mindtree's IT infrastructure services cater to the changing enterprise needs in the evolving IT landscape. Next is the industry served. High technology media, high tech. Mindtree uses its expertise to enable broadcasters, publishers, gamers, out-of-home services, advertising agencies, and businesses to stay ahead of trends and developments with real-time customer data. Retail, CPG, and manufacturing. Mindtree helps retail transform their technology to gain a 360-degree view of consumers and serve them across the entire purchase process using retail supply management and retail consulting. Banking, financial services, and insurance. To shape the future of banking, Mindtree works with our banking customers to provide scalable services, manage and execute strategic initiatives, and create innovative delivery models like omnidirectional banking. Travel and hospitality. Mindtree delivers digital transformation and technology services for the transportation as well as logistics industry, including air, rail, road, shipping and logistics. Now let's take a look at the revenue of the company. First one being revenue distribution by industry. In the full financial year 21, communications, media and technology grew 20.7%, retail, CPG and manufacturing grew 0.6%. The company's presence in the diversified segments will ensure wider client outreach and help it offset the impact of one segment from incremental revenue from the other segment. Moreover, a significant digital presence will ensure strong momentum in revenue growth. Digital business contributes 38.16% of the total revenue of Mindtree. Now the revenue distribution by geography. North America, which contributes 77% of revenue, improved by 4.3% quarter over quarter. Europe, which contributes 7.5% of revenue, grew by 15.9% quarter over quarter. Asia Pacific or rest of the world business, which contributes 13% of revenue, grew by 6.5% quarter over quarter in constant currency terms for fourth quarter of financial year 2021. Mindtree's dependence on the US market is high, with around 77% of the revenue coming from the US. Let's take a look at the key operational parameters of the company. Location of employees, total employees, employee metrics. Now a high utilization rate brings higher margins due to better efficiency. Moreover, the attrition rate decreased through the previous year's quarters, which shows the efficient utilization of employees. Here is the employee cost of Mindtree over the years. Client contribution to revenue. Top 10 clients contribute around 47% of the total revenue of the company. Moreover, the revenue from non-top clients rose at 8.6% sequentially compared with 3.3% increase from top clients in financial year 2021. All incremental revenue growth during financial year 2021 has been driven by its top client, Microsoft, which formed 28% of its turnover in fourth quarter of financial year 2021. Here are the competitors of the company: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Mphasis. Here are the financial parameters. Net sales. Management is very confident about the revenues of the financial year 2022 due to major deal wins in financial year 2021, which will certainly add revenue. Operating profit. The company's endeavor is to deliver double-digit growth in financial year 2022 while sustaining EBITDA at 20% plus levels. For financial year 21, EBITDA margin is 20.8%. Moreover, company's free cash flow or EBITDA ratio for financial year 21 is 116.4%. Profit after tax, PAT increased by 76%, which was rupees 631 crore in financial year 20 to rupees 1111 crores in financial year 21. This was primarily due to higher operational income and lower expected tax rate. Now the free cash flow. For financial year 2021, free cash flow stood at 1928.2 crore, an increase of 175% on year-over-year basis. In addition, the FCF or PAT ratio for financial year 21 stand at 174%. Here is the graph of PAT margin over the years. EBIT margin, return on equity, and return on capital employed. Now the management discussion. Key deal wins. Mindtree signed a multi-year engagement with a global leader in design. It partnered with one of the leading electronic retailers to realize the omni-channel's vision for their users. It partnered with one of the leading electronic retailers to realize the omni-channel vision of their users. Mindtree has been selected by a leading bank to provide Salesforce transformation services across multiple geographies for their asset management division. Company recorded new deals worth $375 million in financial year 2021's fourth quarter versus $312 million in third quarter of financial year 2021, an increase of 20.2% quarter-over-quarter basis. Growth in verticals. Management stated that it expects the TTH vertical to fully recover after 2 to 3 quarters. Margin improvement. Mindtree recorded 18.6% EBIT margin, that is a decline of 100 bps quarter-over-quarter and an increase of 610 bps year-over-year basis. The company endeavors to sustain EBITDA margin over 20%. Good momentum across data security and DevOps. As the budgets are getting firmed up, company anticipates good momentum across our clients and especially in the areas of cloud and data security and DevOps. Employees addition. The headcount in fourth quarter of financial year 2021 increased by 1619 employees quarter-over-quarter basis. Moreover, Mindtree is focusing on reskilling its employees in emerging technologies and is gearing up for an increase in hiring due to the robust demand environment. Let's see what are the opportunities and strength of the company. Digital Next, intelligent enterprise for future possibilities. Mindtree plays an important role in its customers' digital transformation and the experience of their end users. Digital contributes to nearly 40% of company's revenue and continues to grow. Alliances and partnerships. Mindtree has grown as trusted service provider for its customers. Mindtree has partnered with some of the leading enterprise level product companies. For instance, Mindtree has partnered with Microsoft Adobe Solution Partner Program. Management reiterated its 4x4x4 strategy with a focus on 4 industry groups, 4 services lines and 4 geographies. The company aims to strengthen its position by targeted investments, both organic and inorganic. Strong consolidated financial credit profile. The company also holds a robust financial credit profile attributable to the near zero debt, cash and cash equivalents. Thanks for watching. Visit our blog to know more about such stocks. Like, comment and share. Also subscribe our channel for latest updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.